Maybe the grease pole won't be quite as slippery as it would have been a couple days ago. I know, that's
You think
true.
they're going to have rain problems this afternoon?
It's looking like a great weekend. This afternoon, though, we've got some tough stuff to get through, maybe in spots. Let's get right to it. First off, we're going to take a peek at Fort Worth Doppler, and we've been brushed by some rain shower and thunderstorm activity, mainly in the far western counties so far this morning, but there's a whole lot more developing directly to our west. We're zooming into Alexander here with our street-level tracker, and some rain shower activity quickly pushing up in the direction there of Francis Road. We're going to clear these street identifiers and take a look at the rest of the region. You'll see that a little bit further to the southeast, there really has not been a whole lot of activity, or for that matter, even down across northern sections of Pennsylvania, but quite a lot of rain shower and thunderstorms are found directly to our west and southwest. And this activity off the lakeshore down here in Ashtabula County, Ohio, and Erie County, PA, is quite potent. Actually, some fairly intense electrical activity associated with that. These white lightning bolts indicative of strikes within the past 5 minutes. So this is a very active thunderstorm, and it's moving toward the east. So this eventually will get into Erie County, PA, and if it holds together, eventually Chautauqua County down here to the southwest. But pretty much everybody's going to be brushed by more of this rain during the course of the afternoon hours, and perhaps some thunderstorm activity, and there's the potential for some locally heavier downpours. In fact, because of that, the Weather Service has gone ahead and issued a flood watch for parts of our area. We'll show that to you here in a second. But here's the view from East Lakewood down in Chautauqua County, close to Chautauqua Lake. And the sky has been darkening at times down there as some of these showers and thunderstorms have been passing by directly to the west. Well, because of the potential for some slow-moving thunderstorms, mainly across central sections of the state, but this potential extends back to the west here into Allegheny County, the Buffalo National Weather Service has issued a flood watch until later tonight for Allegheny County for the potential of maybe 2 to 4 inches of rainwater in spots due to the anticipation that there's going to be some of the slow-moving thunderstorm activity across that area this afternoon and tonight. Super microcast showing the rain, the thunderstorm activity moving across the area this afternoon and continuing into the evening hours tonight. Then it starts to wind down, especially after midnight from west to east across the region. And by tomorrow morning, this stuff should pretty much be out of here. But hey, we need the rain. Things are really drying up out there, so this is good stuff. Now, for Saturday, skies become mostly sunny. Beautiful day shaping up. The humidity drops finally tomorrow, so it's going to be much more pleasant. And we'll wrap up the weekend with mostly sunny skies on Sunday and pretty pleasant temperatures, too, still hovering in the lower 80s. And taking a look at the temps as of midday today, 73 degrees in Niagara Falls, and I think we've kind of hit our high for the day. Now that we have rain-cooled air moving in from the west, we're probably not going to see much higher values than this. Still 82 down here at Wellsville and 81 at Bradford, but even down there as the clouds and the rain arrive, temperatures will start to drop back into the 70s, and that's pretty much where we'll hover for the afternoon. 77 down at Jamestown presently, and we've got that 75 here in Buffalo. The dew point temperature is still very high. Oppressive humidity actually across the Niagara frontier down into Chautauqua County with these readings around 70 degrees. Taking a look at your forecast for this afternoon, the sunset time 8:55 this evening, and for the rest of this Friday, more rain showers and thunderstorms are likely. A few putting down some hefty downpours and still humid too, with temperatures again pretty much hanging out in the 70s. You folks well out to the southeast in the lower 80s, you're going to drop this afternoon. For the overnight, rain and thunder will taper off, especially after midnight. Some patchy fog, and the lows 58 to 65 degrees. Tomorrow becoming mostly sunny, less humid, 78 to 82 degrees. Looks like a really nice finish to the weekend for the Taste of Buffalo, Grease Pole Festival, all those activities going on, 80 to 84 degrees, and we become a little steamier again getting into the beginning of next week. 86 on Monday, sunshine, and more humid too.
Excellent. Well, we have a News 4 booth at the Taste of Buffalo, so I hope folks come down. Joe and I will be there on at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Yeah, good timing with the weather.
Absolutely. Good job.
Okay.
Thank you very much.